Twitter. We would appreciate that, and you can use the hashtag Wild Earth there. And then many of you do follow the YouTube live stream, so that's also available if you're watching on YouTube. Jason, definitely cracker temperatures today, no doubt. But yeah, it comes with the territory out here. If you come into this region of South Africa, in this part of the bushveld, one thing is for sure, at this time of the year, you're going to need lots and lots of sunblock and hats and so on. Yesterday, we sort of disappeared towards the end of the safari in the sunset. Reason being, we had some electrical storms in the air. And so we needed to run back to camp just to make sure we don't get injured and put ourselves in danger. And then during the extreme heat yesterday, our monitor managed to die. It's a little monitor that we have in the front of the vehicle, so I can see what the camera sees. But Panda, being the MacGyver of the bush, he managed to jippo a plan, and it's working again. Well done, Panda. Shame. So these impalas are really feeling the heat stress at the moment, so they are just looking for cover constantly. We can expect some rains to come in the following days. When you have high temperatures like this, the animals, they do take a bit of heat stress, and but as a result, something has got to give, and that's usually rainfall. A beautiful ram there. Now, we've been lucky enough to show you some of the impala lambs. It's been so nice to drive around and just see all these young miniature versions of the adult impalas, because they look literally identical to that of the adults when they're born. And this is the lambing season. And for those that are new, impalas are animals that have a specific lambing season. And we're upon, sorry about that bump there, we are upon the lambing season now. So the majority of the impalas have given birth, and the bush is absolutely flooded with new life. Seems to be a bit of a breeze picking up. I was expecting that, and I do see some clouds far and beyond, but I don't think we're going to have anything like we had yesterday. And then as the drive progresses, I'm going to share something that happened with me and Panda yesterday that was a very spiritual, special moment for both of us. But speaking about the weather being so hot, let's go take a look at what the other locations are looking like this afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sunday afternoon to you, wherever you find yourselves. We are at Makwapan, I believe, which I think is probably Warthog in Xhosa, if I'm not mistaken. Hello, my name is Steve, and I'm joined by Morgan on camera, and we're out and about in a very nice overcast with a nice, fresh, cool breeze afternoon, but yet it is still warm. Amakala Private Game Reserve. We had a yellow duck for a moment, and well, he has floated away. Just reposition my monitor so I can see. We had a feeling that maybe the elephants from this morning might head in this general direction. There doesn't seem to be much activity though, so we're going to go back and check a couple of the other pans to see maybe where they've gotten to. South and east from where we had this morning. Ooh. Did you get a little?
I did, but I can't remember.
Sorry, Leah, I had a break in my comms there. If Jordan can maybe, our director, maybe try repeat your question slash comment. Answer it. Ah, Lisa got it all wrong. Lisa, you can't wait for this afternoon. Well, welcome on board. Welcome on board the Sunset Safari here on our vehicle in the Eastern Cape. It's been a really nice day today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and let's go see if Cedric's had a wonderful day as well so far.
Oh, look at this. What a way to start the sunset safari. We've got a baby scrub hare that's sitting on the side of the road, but it's so small. This little thing can fit in the palm of my hand. It is so small and is lost. I don't know where mommy is, or daddy, or mommy. Oh, shame. Anyway, it's nice being out at Djuma. Of course, we're here in the Sabi Sand, South Africa. And my name is Cedric, and behind the camera with me on Wendy, we've got Muscles and Paul. Oh, this little one is so cute. So adorable. Little eyeball is as big as its head. Look how big, you'll see now. Got a very big eye. And they are nocturnal, so most of the time these little ones will be, or scrub hares in general, be running around, roaming around at night time, and during the daytime they'll actually kind of hide under thickets, under the trees, in the shrubs, staying out of sight of predators. But this little one is so vulnerable, yeah, and you know, to things like snakes. You saw last night we had an African wildcat busy feeding on a big one. You know, birds of prey. There's so many predators out here for this little one. So I'm just hoping it's going to stay safe and stay very quiet there. Riley, it is. It is too cute. Look at that little foot, that back leg. It's like just sticking out there. It looks like he's sitting down and, you know, watching tennis. Oh, that is so cute. But yeah, they would usually sit in the thickets now, but I think this one is just lost. You know, by some chance it just came running out in front of us and ran down the road, and now it's trying to stay a little bit calm and still there. Very important, because you can see even the coloration, they blend in very well with, luckily with the grass and the thick